morning. Punta kami Batangas and this is the first day ng team building kami. Ayan po, no, kitang-kita po natin, no, handang-handa na po sila umalis. Yeah, baka may kinakain pa yun. So, nagagalit po. Ayan, nahuli po sila kuya dun sa labas. Tingnan natin mabuti. Ayan, nag-iusi, nagpapark. Lahat ng bisyong ginawa nila. Dapat talaga dito nagpulot. Very bad. Ayan po, magjawa po sila. Hindi po sila magkapatid. Magka-size lang po sila pero magjawa. Busy si Moms natin.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, like the world's not the last. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because who I'm behind the exterior. Mysterious, you know I'm always better than superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains of last. And to believe in what you got, it was built.
Ayan na po guys, oh. Dinala po namin dito yung dinala po namin dito yung paborito naming laro. Ano ba daw? In between. Oh, panalo. Ayan po. Nako, marami po kaming mamimiss dito mga tao. Wala po yung high gamer namin. guys, we're going to the beach. Yeah, drink your water, beach. Yeah, ay, araw. Okay guys, oh, kita mo naman yan. Oh, family pack kami dito. Oh, para tayo kahit kaluwa. Oh, guys, hindi kami na parito para makipag-away. Oh, look at them, mami, oh, shining shimmering si mami. Ang taro ni mami. Ay, ma'am, hindi, ikaw si mami. Ayan si mami. Ma'am, ayan, oh, kasama po namin sa Asian Cutie. Ay, sa Asian Cutie. Picture mo yan. Oh, guys, papakilala ko sa Asian Cutie. Kasama namin, Alan Nicolas, Katiis, Pak, oh, Dax yan. Oh my God, oh. Asan yung RL? Ay, guys, madilim na guys, ha. Manonood kasi kami pelikula, guys. Hey, guys! So, magandang umaga po, no? Tuming dagat po, no? Kita niyo yung bago yan? Si Loki yan. Walang condition yan. Ayan si Ma'am Shona, naalala niyo po yan, yung malaking dirty pa nga. Dirty pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Bakla, hindi pantay yung ano ko. Hindi ba yung forehead ko? Ikaw lang iklagay. Ma'am, bakit parang mukha kong clown? Hindi, joke lang. So, yun na nga po, no? Anong tawag sa lugar na TL? Naiya. Naiya? Naiya? Ito mo yun? Ayusin natin yung ano, putang ina. Ay, nako, oh. Nakikita. Parang ako sa Manila. Bren, may dala ka speaker, Bren? Iba din. Dala ni Bren ang speaker. Okay, dami ko ikakan.
Video ay kabote.
Hey guys! Alam niyo ano gagawin ko? Welcome to our Yudis channel. Bakit Yudis na ako? Kaya patras ang video, pauwi na kami.